Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send Notcoin from Telegram wallet to Binance. First, open your Telegram wallet or tap on Notcoin, tap on send, tap on external wallet. Next, we need to get our Notcoin address from Binance, so open Binance, tap on wallet, tap on spot, tap on deposit, then at the top search for Notcoin, tap on the first result, tap on Notcoin. Now tap on OK, copy the Notcoin address, and then go back to our Telegram wallet. Tap on paste to insert the Notcoin address. Tap on continue to proceed. Enter the amount of Not here. Now let's go back to Binance. Then copy the Not memo. Then go back to Telegram and paste the memo here. Once deposited into your Binance account, then tap confirm and send. Note has been sent. After a few seconds, we received our note from the Telegram wallet into our Binance account. And that's it. I hope you learned something. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.